welcome back to RIA'S World of Ideas. Today's video is a Target Dollar Spot haul, and it's not too many things. I just picked up a couple things at the Target Dollar Spot that I found that are, I can't wait to use them for spring. They're very farmhouse, you know, the style that I'm going for. And so I was so excited to find these things because I've seen everybody hauling like the different things that they have at the Target Dollar Spot. But in my area, we only have one Target, so sometimes I'm not able to grab the things that everybody has been hauling. But I was able to find some things that I was on the lookout for, so I wanted to share them with you guys today. Now, there are some other things that there were at the Target Dollar Spot that I think are a good deal that I didn't purchase, but I will let you guys know what they are. I had left my phone at home, so I wasn't able to take pictures for you guys, so I apologize, but I will let you know what they are and how much they cost so you can be on the lookout for them. Before I jump into this video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video so you can be part of my YouTube family. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And like I told you guys before, I've been putting out a lot of new videos, especially a lot of DIYs that you guys have been liking lately. So stay tuned for those. So let's just jump right into the video so I can share with you guys all the goodies that I found. I'm going to start off with the one that was the most expensive, which was $5, but it was my favorite, which is this farmhouse style decorative wheelbarrow. And I have seen somebody DIY this without, make a DIY wheelbarrow out of Dollar Tree items, and I was actually going to make that DIY. So I was happy to find this already made at the Target Dollar Spot for $5 because basically what I would have paid, or the materials that I would have bought to make the wheelbarrow would have came around to $5 anyway, and this one actually looks way better. So it is wood, it's a wood piece, it's a very sturdy wood, and it's just so cute to me. I mean, I think it's a good size for any type of decor. I can't wait to use it in my entranceway. I'm going to use it for my entranceway table. I'm probably going to put it at the bottom part. I always try to figure out what I could put at that bottom part of that entranceway table because it's like a weird area where you want something to stand out because it's at the bottom. So I figured that this will, and I already have some ideas of what I'm going to put inside it, but I just love how it is. They did come in a different color. I got, of course, the gray and the white because, you know, that's my color scheme. I forgot what the other color was, but I think it was like a brighter color. I don't know if maybe it was like yellow or maybe green or something, but I know it was another color. But this was $5 at the Target Dollar Spot, this decorative wood wheelbarrow, which I think is a great deal. The next thing I found is actually $3, and it's this little watering can, which I thought was so cute. Now originally I had went to Target yesterday and went back this morning because my daughter wanted to go there. When I first saw this, I had saw the white one and then they had this blue one, and I kind of passed it up. And then of course, like I always do when I come home, I decided that I could do something with it and I wanted it. So originally I wanted the white one, but when I went back, the white one was gone. But I was gonna paint that one anyway, so I'm gonna end up painting this one anyway to make it more farmhouse. But it was only $3, and I have never seen any type of Dollar Tree item that looks like this. So that's why I didn't mind paying the $3 for this watering can, because I feel like it is a very farmhouse look watering can for $3. And even though I'm going to make it over, I still feel like it's not gonna cost me as much as it would be if I would have purchased like a watering can like the name brand ones at Walmart or Home Goods or something like that. I still will come out cheaper buying this one that's $3 and repainting it. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to do a lot of DIYs where I'm like taking like the Target Dollar Spot stuff and like revamping it, and this is one of the things. So it was just blue and it had this little snail on it, and they had another one that was I think green, and then like I said, the white one had like a weird kind of kitty decoration on it, so that's why I would have DIY'd that one anyway. But I like it. I think it's a good size for $3. Another thing that I picked up that I thought was $3, but when I scanned it, it actually came out to $1.50, so I was so happy, was this little art caddy. And I was actually in the lookout for this art caddy. I seen somebody hauling it, and I can't wait to, they have this color, which you guys know I do like this color, and then they had a pink color. But I'm actually going to repaint this and make it over to make it look, of course, more farmhouse and more aged, you know, that weathered look. So stay tuned, I'm going to make this over. But I like how it has a little grate in the front. The back, it doesn't have it. So if you do pick this up, I actually saw somebody on Instagram today share this, and at their store it was actually 90 cents for it. They actually marked it down like 75% off, but mine was marked down 50% off, but it still was a good deal. Like I was gonna purchase this being $3, but then I got it for $1.50 and somebody else got it for 90 cents. So when I went back today, I was gonna actually purchase the other one that was pink, you know, just so I can have an extra one, and of course it was gone. But anyways, this is a good deal for this. If you ever want to do it, you can keep this look right here, and it's that farmhouse look, or you can add like a little sign right here. You know those galvanized signs that Dollar Tree has that says welcome or harvest. This would be perfect to put like the harvest and put like different harvest things inside it. There's so many things that you could do with this art caddy. It doesn't have to be an art caddy, but then again, it can be an art caddy for your kids. So there's so many things you could do with this, and I'm glad that they marked it down. And it is wood, but stay tuned. I'm gonna make this over, so stay tuned for that video. Another thing that I found that was $3 in that section, but I am going to make it over, is this Happy Easter sign. You guys know I love the light color blue. So this already, I like it, but you guys know I don't decorate for Easter. So I'm not going to keep it saying Happy Easter, but I do have a DIY in mind for this. And even though it was $3, I figured that the DIY that I was going to make, the stuff that I would have purchased to recreate this look would have cost more than $3 actually. So I like the fact that this is already kind of already pre-made of how I want to do it. All I got to do is add some paint and add my details to it that I'm going to do. So just stay tuned for that. That's going to be another DIY. They had a lot of other Easter things that I think you guys would love over there. They had these ceramic bunnies. They were $3 each, and they were actually like this big. They were a good size, and at first I put it in my cart because they were so cute, but then I was like, come on, Maria, you don't decorate for Easter, so you need to put it back. But they do have them in white, and then they also have them in this like clay color, so where you can color, it's a plain clay color ceramic type of material, so that you can paint onto it. It doesn't have like the finishing of the shine on it, so if you wanted to paint onto that one, you could. So it was 3 different bunnies, and they were like 3 different looks. They were so cute. For $3, you can't pass that up. Like I said, they were this size. I love them, but again, I didn't need them. They also have crates there too that are good sizes. They were like this big. For $5, you can easily, they have like bright colors, but you can easily DIY them. I already have a crate, as you can see back there. I already have a crate and other crates in my house, so I was like, no more crates, Maria, so I didn't pick that up. But I just wanted to let you guys know so you guys can keep a lookout for that if you guys need a crate. The other thing that I found that was $3 was this banner sign, this home banner sign. And I like it how it is. I like how it is already, but I'm not going to use it as a home sign to kind of like, to have it hang like it's supposed to. Like you hang it, and then it's like 4 pieces, and they spell out home, and I like the wood tone on it. But the reason why I picked this up is because I am going to make individual DIYs with each individual piece. And so I had an idea of making something where it looked like pieces of wood put together, and I was going to recreate it with Dollar Tree items. But when I saw this, it was already set up the way I wanted it to. And for $3 and you get 4 pieces, I thought this was a great deal because it's like less than $1 each for each piece. So stay tuned. I am going to DIY this. But also, if you want this for $3, this home sign I think is a great deal, and it has that white and that light blue that I like anyway. But like I told you guys, I'm going to DIY it, and so stay tuned to see what I'm going to do with this as a makeover, a DIY makeover. And the last thing I got, it was $1 and the Target dollar spot, were these little lemons. Now guys, I had picked one of each yesterday, and then they have them in, it's like these little ceramic lemons, and you have one that looks like this. The lemon is like this, and then you buy the other one where it has like the little stand right here. It's like a little flat side right here, and then the lemon looks like this. They had them in yellow, they had them in this peach color, and they had them in this green color, which is the style now. I didn't get them in those colors because to me that doesn't look farmhouse. That looks more like Eastery and kind of like a teenage room, so I didn't get that. I only picked up one of each, and I figured, I was like, you know what, I'm going to put it in like a little, in my 3-tier tray that I share with you guys for my kitchen. I'm going to put it in that. And then when I went back today to Target when my daughter wanted to get something else, I was like, if I see more, maybe I'll pick up one more of each of these. Guys, they were all gone from yesterday. Now, they had a whole stack of these, like a whole, like I think it was about 6 of these. They were all gone today. So everybody's loving the yellow. So like I said, these are $1 each. These are really cute. You can use them in your tier trays. You can use them in a basket, in a bowl to decorate your kitchen. I think they are so cute. I love decorating with lemons. I like adding the touch of yellow to my home for spring and for all year round. So if you do see them in your Target dollar spot, pick them up. They're really a good size. Like I said, it's like the size of my hand. So it's a really good size for $1. I like them, and I haven't seen nothing like this at Dollar Tree. So if you see them and you want them, pick them up because the yellow is going fast. So that is it for my Target haul, guys. It wasn't too many things, but I did want to share with you guys what they had in the Target dollar spot, especially if you guys are into that farmhouse look like I am. There are so many great things that they're bringing out for spring and Easter that are already made that you could just buy them and put them in your home, decorate them in your home right then and there. And there's also some that come in these like weird colors, but you can easily DIY them to make them more farmhouse. So, and that's exactly what I'm going to do with this one, and of course these two. So stay tuned for those future videos, how I'm going to update those, basically make them over into more farmhouse style. I love them though, because all of the pieces that I got are wood pieces, so it's gonna be sturdy pieces. I love what I found. But go out to your Target dollar spot. Every store is different, so your store might have more things than I saw, but for $3, $3, and $5, the things that they have, that's actually a good deal, because a lot of these things that I see like this, they will be way more than $3, way more than $5 at other stores. So they're actually, even though they're more than $1, it's actually a good deal than opposed to what you would see at other home goods stores. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys have been finding in your Target dollar spot, if it has a farmhouse feel to it, so I can keep a lookout for them in my stores, because they're bringing out so many things. Like I went yesterday, and today when I went back, they brought out those bunnies. They brought out those ceramic bunnies that were cute, and that was just from yesterday. So every day they're bringing out new things, so always go back to your Target to check out that Target dollar spot, because they always bring out new things every day. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys see, so I know what to be on the lookout for, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.